In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your oil on a Chevrolet Equinox. Let's get started. Let's go open our hood and go to the passenger side of the engine bay and locate our oil filler cap and oil dipstick. Remove the cap. I like to put it on the hood latch assembly so we cannot forget it. And pull up on the dipstick. This is to allow more flow of oil when we drain it. Now let's go ahead and lift and raise our vehicle. Now with our vehicle raised and supported, I can go ahead and locate the oil pan and the 15mm bolt and the oil filter. Have your collection receptacle ready and remove the bolt. And just slowly spin it out. Here's our drain plug. Now we can let the oil drain out. Here's our drain plug. I'm going to be replacing the rubber gasket on it. Use a 90-degree pick to remove it. Now dispose of it properly. Here's our new oil filter. I'm going to go ahead and pre-fill it with manufacturer approved oil. Just until it reaches the top. Now I'm going to lubricate the oil filter O-ring with that same oil. So just working around, and now we can install it. Just spin it on by hand. And just snug it up. Usually just want to tie in these by hand. And that looks good. Now I'm going to take some brake cleaner and a rag and spray this portion of the engine down. Make sure you clean as much as possible. Now wipe down with a clean rag. Now get up along the oil filter and clean it as well. And that looks good. Now I'm going to fill the vehicle up with 5.3 quarts of 0W20 oil. It might be different for your vehicle. Our trim is the 1.5 liter all-wheel drive. Again, it might be different for your trim level and engine. A quick note, make sure the funnel is fully secured so you do not spill any engine oil. Turn clockwise, make sure it's fully secure. Same with the dipstick. Now I'm going to go ahead and run the vehicle for about 30 seconds and recheck that dipstick level. So I'll pull it out, dry it, and now pull it out again. As you can see, my level is good. It is in between these two dots. This is the max line, and that is the minimum line. As you can see, we're good. Now reinstall your dipstick. And that completes our install. Once you're finished, go ahead and check under the vehicle and make sure there are no oil leaks, and thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.